I recommend downloading the resource file so you can practice along with me. When you resize the frame element or the element within it, everything exists automatically. This is what we call as auto layout, and it is more powerful than regular frame. We will select one of the element by pressing the Control and click. We can remove the element and watch it automatically get adjusted. To create an auto layout, you need to select a frame. Within the frame, we have 4 rectangle present inside it. You can press the shortcut called Shift A on Windows to create an auto layout. If you are on Macintosh, you can use Shift Ctrl A to create an auto layout. It do happen that after creating the auto layout, if you try to click and drag, it cannot get resized. If you find this happening, select all the element in auto layout. Go to the layout section. In the drop-down, select the fill container. Now you click and drag. Let's select the frame once again, and you should be able to do it very effectively. One of the things to get the notice is, I will press Ctrl Z. On the right hand side, you can see here where my pointer is. It's layout. The moment I change to auto layout by pressing Shift and A, the name gets changed to auto layout. Now this one is no more a regular frame, but an auto layout frame. The alternate way to create an auto layout is select the frame, go on the right hand side near to layout section. On the right hand side, we have an icon which says use auto layout. Click on that. Now the auto layout is added to our frame. If you want to remove it, you can use a shortcut called Alt-Shift-A that will remove the auto layout. Or you can go to the action bar at the bottom, press the Ctrl-K or click on the action icon. Here you can type remove and it will ask what you want to remove. Remove all auto layout or remove the selected auto layout. Alternate way to remove the auto layout is select the frame, go on the right hand side and again click on this option called remove auto layout. Let's explore the auto layout in much detail in the next lecture.